With the weather improving and holidays just around the corner, what could be better than spending all day outside? Thanks to Tesery.com, I've got this awesome TiTa air mattress for my Tesla Model Y. And guys, I'm not being paid for this review. They sent me this mattress for free in exchange for my honest opinion. If you're interested, I'll include a link in the description with a discount code. And stick around until the end, because I've got a special surprise related to this mattress. The mattress comes in this handy bag and it fits perfectly in both the lower part of the trunk and the front of my Tesla Model Y. Alright, let's unpack this thing. First we have this small bag containing the air pump. It comes with different sized nozzles, but I honestly have no idea what the smallest one is for. If you know, please drop a comment below. The pump plugs into the 12-volt socket in the car, which is really convenient. Now getting the mattress out of the bag is a bit tricky, mainly because I've already used it once. It was definitely more compact when it first arrived. And the bag has a shoulder strap, which is great because it frees up your hands to carry other stuff. Let's prepare the car for the mattress. Then unroll the mattress and place it in the car. Connecting the air pump to the 12-volt socket is straightforward. The pump has a top part for deflating, but I'll show you that later. For inflating, I use the correct nozzle and attach it to the mattress. The black valve is a one-way air-in valve, which means air goes in but doesn't escape when you stop pumping. Inflating the mattress takes less than 60 seconds and I sped up the footage so you can see the process. The mattress also has a fixed pillow which you can inflate to your liking. Or you can use your own pillow if you prefer. Here is the mattress fully inflated. The top layer is really soft, which adds to the comfort and prevents slipping. I was a bit worried about the space under the pillow, but the mattress is firm and holds up well. A couple of downsides: there are no side pockets for things like your phone and the top layer isn't replaceable. However, you can clean it with a damp cloth. You can use a sheet, but there is none included, and I couldn't find one on Tesery's website either. I had trouble closing the tailgate because the mattress protruded, but moving the front seats forward solved that issue. You can adjust the pillow's firmness by removing the valve to let the air out. This allows you to customize it to your comfort level. Now the mattress is ready to use, and personally I found it really comfortable. However, I prefer my own pillow because I tend to move around a lot in my sleep and the pillow moves with me. At 183 meters, I fit perfectly on the mattress, and as you can see, the tailgate closed just fine. This mattress can comfortably fit 2 adults and is thick enough to provide good support while leaving enough space to get down easily. Deflating the mattress is straightforward. First, I remove the valves from the pillows and press them to let the air out. Then, I use the air pump's top part to suck out any remaining air. And for the mattress, I remove the valve and let the air escape, and again using the pump to speed up the process. Rolling the mattress tightly removes any excess air and helps it fit back into the bag. Finally, wrapping the straps around the mattress make it easier to store. Putting the mattress back in the bag takes a bit of effort, which is a minor downside. This part is sped up because it took me a while, but eventually I managed to fit it back. It's definitely a bit of chore, but once it's in the bag, it's easy to store and carry. Okay guys, to sum up my experience, overall the TiTa Air mattress from Tesery.com is a fantastic addition to any Tesla Model Y. It's comfortable, easy to inflate and deflate, and it fits perfectly in the car. The storage process could be easier, but hey, that's a minor inconvenience for the comfort it provides. Now for the surprise! By 500 likes, I will give away the mattress to one of my subscribers. All you have to do is, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and tell me in the comments what your ideal camp looks like. And if you found this review helpful or have any questions, drop a comment below, like this video, share it, and I put a link in the description for a 10% discount on the TiTa Air mattress. Guys, thanks for watching and I see you in the next video.